That's recording.
That's kind of cool. You can see the weakest in the microscope now.
Stop there.
No, that's good.
Maybe I should stop and wait for the yolk to come back. 30 takes an hour.
It's coming.
3 minutes be away.
It's really fast. So yeah, very would be expensive to purchase. Do you think?
Yeah.
Kind of weird how he has to go that way to come around. Just the current kind of.
Drill. Chicken.
Oh, who's going first? Do your panties.
Can we go ahead?
Yeah.
No, they were there first.
Yeah, the other guys will probably go behind you.
No, I'm gonna let it.
Will there be room with the cash guy on you?
Hopefully.
Yours is quite long, so wait until they go on first. This is it, yeah. Whoa.
It's only a mirror.
I know, yeah, just are so close.
He's dead.
You've got clothes in the back.
And we're live. It's fairly scalded. There's not a lot to see.
I wonder who decided this was the point that they wanted to
This is the point that they wanted to go.
get the ferry. Is it the shortest gap or?
Yeah, I'm sure it is.
It's really quite smooth, isn't it? Very smooth.
I don't know how often it breaks now.